go. Here we are. I am going to start my video so that you guys can see me. Okay, guys, how are you tonight? I know there are a lot of tears, right? I know there's a lot of tears being down. I know that. I totally understand that. It's been a tough week. Again, I had anticipated that, the markets were going down, but I anticipated at a certain level. I did not anticipate it will crash. I did not anticipate it will crash hard. I understand the feelings. I think there is a complete annihilation, right? There's complete, total annihilation in the crypto market, something that I haven't seen since late 2018. Okay? It was late 2018 when we kind of saw this. We saw this in early 2018, but it kind of rebounded back. But, and people were happy again after that. We saw this actually in, if you guys remember, right, in February, Chinese New Year 2018, but things rebounded back. So the depression was not long. I do not know how long this will be. So I'm going to show you some real things, some real facts, and I'm going to show you how you can fix this, or how we will now help you to fix this. And this is very important. So first things first. First things first, guys. First things first. A good meal is crucial. What does it say, guys? You got to eat something. Please eat something. Otherwise, you're going to be sick, guys. I know. You might not have the mood to eat, right? You don't have the mood to eat anymore. I understand. Go find something to eat, okay, guys? You got to eat. There is still life tomorrow. Not after crypto. Crypto will still be there. I'll show you why. It doesn't matter where we go to next. It really doesn't matter, as I said to my guys on Saturday, right? Whether we have, can you guys hear me now? Is it clearer now? If bull market, well, that's okay. That's become like 2018, right? People will party again. Remember, 2017, late 2017 was the end of the bull market, but it still partied on, right? So I'm not really worried about that, but but then anything can happen in crypto. So we will look at some facts tonight, total facts. Before that, our favorite coin gecko, and I will show you this. So I think you guys remember this, right? You guys remember this. I have been pointing this out for quite some time, that had to go up, right? So even in my groups, I was saying that, hey, there will be a correction. I called it out last week. I did not expect that crash, okay? I expected a correction, and we are done with. And but it crashed. So it can do whatever it wants to do. And I said that after the crash, the Bitcoin dominance has to go up, which it has, okay? Which it has. So if you are in Bitcoin, then the impact of your losses are not so great. This is a fact, guys. This is a fact. However, if you are in some SHIT coin, SH1T coin, or you are in some other not so good altcoins, yes, I feel for you. You are crying like this, like, it's the end of the world. It is not the end of the world. Okay, it is not the end of the world. If you are traders, and this is the thing with traders, okay, you guys think you can trade this out. You think it is like any other market. Trust me, guys, it is not. This market is unique, and this market can be very, very cruel. However, if I've shown you many times, or I have said many times, this market can be conquered. I'll just show you an example of how this market is being conquered. Look at that, not that. Have you guys eaten? Okay, go and eat first. Okay, just go and eat first. Look at that, not that, but that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Even with this crash, which I kind of didn't anticipate, this account, this is the ROI. Okay, this went down. This was actually up here somewhere, but this, of course, spoiled it. The crash kind of spoiled it. Unexpected. I'm saying this, unexpected. If it's expected, I could have gotten out for a very good ROI. I mean, I was caught, okay? So I'm just showing you that I'm not perfect. I was caught, but hey, look at the beginning of the year until now, and yeah, it's done 421%, meaning my numbers for this have gone up 5 times. If you put in 1,000, you get 5,000 plus. If you put in whatever that was, you get in there. And that's a very good money, okay? That's a very good money. Because if you know if you know the title of my course, what was it, guys? What was it? It was always like this, right? Okay, what did I commit to? People like this on the trading part. It was like 10% a month. So we've done like 100 a month or close, or maybe it's 80 now. It was 100 a month, it's 80 now. And this is a fact, okay? Now, the thing is that I do have rules that at this, I needed to take out the profit. I needed to conserve the profit. So my trading rules say I will cut. Is this called a cut loss? I call it cut profit. I call it cut profit. And this is very typical. You have something there, and really when you want to go here, you want to cut your profit out because somehow you got the market wrong. So this shows you that you cannot be aware of a crash, and it can still catch you, and you can still get out with very good profits. The hard thing is the discipline, okay? I mean, I understand it's hard to keep the discipline here because you are all panicking. I get that, okay? I understand that because I too saw that night, right? I was there with you. I too saw that night. Just after the show on Wednesday night, I could not get into Binance. I couldn't get into Binance. It was not working at all. So that was kind of depressing, but I don't have an account there. I could get into this account, so that was kind of cool. I could get into other accounts, other brokers. Some brokers I couldn't, some brokers I can. I have the list somewhere, but what comes to my mind first is I could not get into Binance. I got into Huobi. Not saying anything against Binance. I truly understand that there was just massive traffic on Binance. I'm cool. I'm just saying to you, I could get into this account, but I couldn't get into Binance. I could get into this account, which I have all my trades. This is for trading, okay, not for holding and all that, but I could not get into Binance. Now, here's the deal. A lot of people are coming and crying and all this and saying crypto is this and crypto is that and crypto is everything. And 2 weeks ago, they were saying something else. This is quite odd, guys. Let me put it in another perspective. Let's talk perspectives. And if you want to know more, catch me 8:30. After this show, 8:30, I'm going to go live with Gordon Scott, and I'm going to explain more. I'm going to explain more of this. Now, let me give you a perspective. Which asset class could I have started here and end up here? Okay, I had a lot of grief here, but it's not tears, it's crocodile tears. You know, crocodile tears, okay? Crocodile, yeah, crocodile tears, okay, crocodile tears, that's fine. Which asset class can do that for me? That is the issue that we have to ask, and I cannot name any. And going forward, I'm going to tell you that my target for this account by the end of the year will be 1,000%. This means this doubles, okay? I want you to check against that. If you want to know more, I'll tell you where to get more. Which asset class? Okay, this was done, right? And people will say because, okay, you've proven it. What next? I'm going to double this account. That means this going forward will hit 100%. I'll double this, and this account will end up like 100% minimum. Now, you guys know I can do that because I multiplied it more than that. Now, let me ask you another question, okay? If people ask you or me about crypto or whatever, this is how you answer. Even now, guys, now, at this point in time, snapshot it. Which asset class, this is unleveraged, can give me 100% with high certainty? It's like 90% certain, because I've proven myself. From now until the end of the year. Can you type it down? Because I would like to go to a course that offers that, by the way. I don't know, guys, with not a lot of stress. Of course, I mean, tell me, can you type it down? Just type it down if you know. Anyone type it down? Can you type it down? Yeah, just type it down. I don't know. All I know is it still points to crypto. And this is why we have to really put this into perspective. Even if we hate crypto, I understand the feeling. Please get your thing. Yeah. DeFi is still crypto. DeFi is still crypto. That's the thing. It's still crypto. Where do you want to run? Where do you want to run? You can't run. If you want these type of gains, even 100%, guys, this was 5 times. This was like 5 times means 421%. Of course, going 100% from here, I don't know. I don't know. I wish I did. I wish I did. I just don't know. So I'm just saying you that there is not a lot of choice if you are thinking about something else. That's my point. Now, had you been blown out of the water or whatever, then we will have to look at why you were blown out of the water. What you want to do is this. What you want to do is look at this portfolio, and I want to ask you the question. The first thing that comes in mind here is, what was I trading? What was I trading? Not I, me. What was I trading? What was being traded here? What was being traded? This is the first thing. The second thing that you want to do here is, what do you want to say? What do you want to say? How do you know? Where is, you guys want to know, right? How did you know where to TP? How did you know where to stop loss? So that I wasn't blown out here. I kept it here until here. Now, of course, here I'm blown out. What are the parameters, right? What are the parameters? Now, here is the thing about crypto, guys. This is one of the free lessons I'm going to give you. There's more if you want to join. You know, if you just choose it, okay? This, do you see the TP and stop loss? Goes hand in hand with the type of cryptos that you trade. You understand? Type of cryptos that you trade. That means if you are trading a group of cryptos, let's say DeFi, this has to be different. If you are trading something in, what are the other class of coins, right? Polkadot ecosystem. This is different. If you are trading in my class of coins, this is different. And as you can see here, this is easily manageable. Now, you guys have to understand, I do not like trading. I do not like trading. So there's something going on here. There was something going on here that caused me to take a profit here. And there was something going on here that this, whatever stop loss this was able to withstand this. You understand? If not, I would have missed this. Remember? Caught this. Because this is the example of market. It goes like that. You guys seen Jeff's channel, right? It pumps and then it channels and then it pumps and then it channels. But when it goes out of the channel, what happens, guys? You have to have a responsibility to yourself, although you don't want to do it, to cut loss. And I am just, you know, the traders, I'm talking about the traders here. I am just puzzled why people didn't do that. Okay, I understand the pain. I understand the pain. I understand the pain. I do. But again, my sizing all goes there. Okay, all goes there. Now let's look at some things what's going on. So I know a lot of you are asking, is the bull run over? I'm going to let you think about it. I'm going to answer it more soon. Okay, soon. I'll tell you more about it on Thursday, but I'm going to tell you today also. The first thing we're going to look is here, okay? Where is that thing? Okay, BTC, again, I've always said, we will face troubles here. We did, we went down. We faced troubles here again, 42, we went down. 43 is the 100 EMA, okay? And 47 or 46 is the 200. We'll face trouble. We're going to face troubles here. Look, it tried, it went up. It's retrying again. We are going to be choppy. That's my belief. Because do not expect people to just come back. A lot of people got blown away. You have to understand that a total of 8, even I am shocked at this number, a total of 800,000 accounts were liquidated. I don't know how many billion, was it 8 billion or something? 8 billion, right? Whatever was liquidated. This is a lot of people. You know, before this, the thing is before this, there were a lot of accounts that were liquidated too in terms of the value. Do you understand that? Now it's a lot of people, and this is what I do not like, or I'm worried about this, because there's a lot of people because a lot of people that got blown away are now posting on Facebook. You understand that, right? Facebook. Now, if you see them posting on Facebook and you don't like it, can you tell them to please go to my Facebook and look at that? Because what's the big deal, okay? So don't listen to all these stories. Why are you listening to people who got burned? What is the reason, okay? If you're a trader, I don't know why traders get burned, but yeah, this is the thing. There are too many people that got blown apart. Totally understand that, okay? Now, you have to ask now, is it going down or is it going up? Let me show you. I'm not going to give you answers. Don't ask me, is it going up or is it going? I'm not going to give you an answer. You think first. We will come back on Thursday. We'll continue. And then on June 5th, you will get your answer. But look at this. This is the pi cycle top indicator. It is in the green. Look at what happened here. This is 2014. When it goes down, it signals a bear market. And it goes like that. And it goes up, test, and then go up again. This was when? This was during the 2017 bull run, right? Look at that. Look at that. 2017 bull run, go up, go down, go up again. 2018, go down, bear market. This one tried to make it into a bull, bear again. So is this now, looking at this snapshot, is it a bear? Looks like it, but we do not know. Let me show you something. Let me show you something else. We do not know. Look at this. Look at this. During the 2017 bull run, which I say is like now, right? Look at this. It went down and then went back up again. When was this? When was this, guys? When was this? It was in September. Let me get me that. Hey, sorry, it's here. Oh, it's in July, right? It's in June or July. Yeah, it's in the middle of the year like now, right? Yeah, kind of July there, right? Look at that. Look at what happens here again. Goes up, goes down, and then returns back. When did this bull run supposedly end? Let me look at it here. August. So there were certain that, look at here, it went down and then it went back up again. July. So it like, yeah, this is like giving you an early Christmas. What did I mention? I always mention that July would be in big trouble. Okay, it came in early. It came in early. What to do? It came in early. But I am telling you that if you're calling the bear market, we kind of don't know. We really don't know, right? We really don't know. Yeah, we have no idea. We have no idea at all. Now, let me tell you some indicators. indicators. I want you to see this. I am in this gang. I told you last week, right? I was bringing my stable coins out. I'm bringing my stable coins out in order to be ready to buy. In fact, I wanted to show you this, but I'm depositing a lot of stable coins somewhere. So it's out of my farm, okay? It's out of my farms, and I'm putting it back on the exchange. Look at that. Amount of stable coins on exchanges is at yearly all-time high. Lots of bullets ready to be deployed because people like me who consistently take profit have a lot of things in USDT, USDC, Binance USD. There are also some things that I've converted to ringgit. I have told you guys many times, each month I bring money out of the market. I just take it out. You know, no matter what up, down, I take it out. So I do that every month. And I also have something. Now, there's some mistakes that I made. I told you guys that in the private group. So yeah, I'm not perfect, but I got what I wanted to get out of. I kind of got out of. I know I should have got out of more, but that was a mistake, right? I didn't get out of my Bitcoin position. I got out of my Ethereum positions, right? Between 3, 3.5, and 4. And when it went to 4.3, I wasn't even thinking of buying. Now I'm thinking of buying again, but I'm not going to buy that. There's a reason. Okay, now here's the thing. Next thing, this is another on-chain indicator. So there are a lot of bullets, and people like me, I can't show you the other screen, but I am bringing the stable coins somewhere to be reinvested. I'm just telling you that. Doesn't mean it's bullish or bearish. Who cares? Look at this. Look at this here. This is Willy Woo. We are at here. Look at that. Look at that. So NVT is down. It looks bullish, but yeah, anyone can just look at that. Look at that. Look at this user chart. User growth on the BTC network is up. The bull market is pretty much intact. This is from the #1 analyst of Bitcoin, Willy Woo. You got to read your Twitter, guys, because they have facts. They don't argue out of emotions. They argue out of data. And you guys know by now that data is readily available. Next, I'm going to show you plan B. This is about the stock to flow model. What is happening? Let's see. I want you to see this. He's already talking about 2024. Okay, so guys, if you want to know when the next cycle is going to start, 2024. I can't wait that long. Okay, I can't wait that long. But Bitcoin shows a lot of optionality. Yeah, we'll discuss this again in early 2024. Now look at this. Okay, look at this. This is what happened because last week was very funny. I think I already said this to you guys, right? It was very funny. There was a lot of deposit onto Binance that were sold, but Coinbase was not showing that. So it showed that the small guys were putting it into exchanges to be sold, which they did. Whereas the big guys, the longer term guys, the institutions were pretty much there. Yes, there was some selling, but they were pretty much there. Let me show you this. You see at what price level each of the total 8.7 million BTC was last moved. Weak hand sold 1 million BTC in May at 30K to 35K, which they bought in April at 55K to 60K. Why is that so? Yeah, look, you can type in here, okay? Why is that so? Look at that. A staggering 20 billion loss, but now those Bitcoin are in strong hands, stronger hands. Doesn't mean the market is going to come back tomorrow. I think there will be a lot of struggle, right? There'll be a lot of struggle because there are too many accounts that got blown out. There are too many posts on Facebook that even though this might be a good level to come in, and we do not know that, people are fear, okay? People are in fear. And that's the issue, is that people are in fear because it really doesn't matter what we think, right? What we think doesn't matter, but what other people think matters more, okay? So this is my worry, is that the news out there is really not good. Now, let's see another metric, which is very important. And this is why I say safe, okay? Safe this, okay? You have to be safe. We want to be safe, okay? Safe this, okay? Safe procedure for crypto. It's actually safe crypto procedure. Now, I kind of totally abused that safe safe procedure for crypto. It should be safe crypto procedure because I come from the world of manufacturing. I started my career in Motorola in manufacturing, and there's something called SPC, okay? Statistical process. It means that when it goes out of the boundaries, upper or lower, you have to take the opposite action, meaning something is wrong. That means something has gone to an extreme. You understand me that? Understand that, right? This is very important here. We are now at fear, extreme fear. I know we are scared. I am scared too, like, ooh, you feel me? Let me scare you. The problem is people out there posting on social media because they got burned. It seems to be the only thing to do. And I'm like, I probably have a lot of haters because I keep on posting this, right? Just that we are going to hate you for now. Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. And you guys who don't believe this, those who have the access to this account, can you check that this is still there? Because I haven't got it. Can you please check so that the people here, the new ones, can say, this is not Photoshop? Because I'm sure someone will say, this is Photoshop. I'm sure someone will come out with that reason, okay? But here's the deal. Let's go here. Statistical process control. Look at the fear and greed index. Look at here. We are down here. Every time we have gone down here, we have followed up with a rebound. You understand that, right? It goes back up. Whatever goes up must come down. Whatever goes down must come up. This represents the extreme. This was the worst crash before this last year during the COVID-19 crisis. You know what happened to Bitcoin then, right? 3,000 something all the way to 60 in almost a straight line. That's like 19 times 19. We are back here again at the fear because of the social media. I don't think we're going to break away just like that or just like that. Having said that, I want you to see this and look at the charts before you do anything. Look at that. This one, and also this one, pretty much so. I can tell you that even during the crash of 2018, because people are fearing crash, what happened here? What happened here? I can tell you because I was there, we still could make money. That's what I'm saying. So if it's a bull or bear, don't ask me. I'm just stating you the facts, and you now can actually go and evaluate yourself, because all in all, you have to decide. Are you still in it? Or are you going to exit? Are you going to listen to the facts? Or are you going to listen to your friends posting on Facebook because they got massive losses? I understand it. Okay, I totally understand it. I'm saying that these things are fixable. Okay, these things are fixable. You understand what's going on? Don't worry there. Having said that, let's look at some of the news. What is happening in terms of Bitcoin whales accumulate 122.5K BTC amid latest market mayhem. Oh, like who's buying? BTC's epic 7.5 billion long squeeze just made BTC price more bullish. Why? Because when the long liquidation happens, guess what? The weak hands are flushed out. Bitcoin bull market still halfway. Still halfway after the 30K BTC price crash destroys leverage. Leverage is gone. I told you guys, please be very, very careful on leverage. Futures market rocked as perpetual contracts traded 30% below index price. This was the other problem with you guys trading on accounts with leverage, because although the price went down like here, right? Let's have two levels here, right? Let's have two levels here. I know some of you are shocked. The price, when it goes down here, you say your account will be intact, right? This is like, this is like that, right? Like that. When you saw in the futures chart, it went down like that, meaning that your accounts were totally liquidated. I know you feel cheated, but hey guys, this is normal, because this is happening because of panic selling. So you guys got to live with that. So next, going forward, this is what we're going to do for you. Now, if you want to know the composition of my account that allowed me to get this, how I trade here, all the trading rules here, we have a special class coming here. Learn to trade crypto. We want to price it on this, right? You saw in the last class that we really didn't provide a discount totally. We wanted to maintain the price. But here, thanks, we had a discussion. We had a long discussion. I am so unlucky. Whenever I want to put in a price, something happens. Oh, I got to give a discount, right? The last time was the gas price. This is only being offered at 97 for now. So it is up to you guys. I'm not soliciting. I'm just saying, if you guys want to learn how to trade correctly, and it will surprise you how to get this kind of equity curve. Yes, it will go down. Come on, guys. I was caught. But look at what happened to other accounts. I'm still happy here, right? So this is only $97. Yes. Okay. It's only that. I am being victimized. Okay. The gods of crypto don't like me, say, hey, I want to introduce this, and I name a price, and then this happens, and Paul says, can we bring this down? Yeah, what do I say, guys? Like, what do you want me to say? Yeah, I know, Pute, I'm upset. I hope you take advantage of me being upset, okay? I know, I'm going to place it, and then Paul says, Shukri, we're going to bring it down. Like, what? Okay, never mind. I understand. I want to make sure you guys happy. Okay. So again, join me at 8:30 with Gordon. I have more things to say there. Again, don't worry. Hold the line, guys. Gonna see you there at 8:30. Bye.